Are you comparing data like this and getting confused? A value of 300 and another value of 150, it looks obvious that 300 is better. But that is not always true because bigger numbers do not always mean better performance. In this video, I will show you a simple technique in Excel to compare growth correctly. This is called index chart analysis.
Here we have monthly sales data for 3 companies. These values are different in scale, so direct comparison is misleading. Index chart solve this problem. So in first step, we will create a table of indexed value. For this purpose, I'll write index table. I'll apply the same formatting. So I'll select these cells. I'll use the format printer tool. I'll write the same headings, so I'll copy them. I'm also going to copy the month's name. Now to get the index value for the company A, I'll write the formula equal current value divided by the base value, that will be the first value for each company. So I need to fix it by pressing F4. After this, I'll multiply this with 100 and press enter. Now I will drag it down. To convert these numbers to the whole number, I will use this decrease decimal option until I get the whole number. Now copy across for all companies. Now I get my index table ready for comparison. If we notice, we started from the same values, that is 100, but ended on 250, 180 and 220, which shows clear difference between all these companies. The growth for the company A is highest among all the companies. Now for more clearer comparison, let's create an index chart using this data. For this purpose, I'm going to select this data. I'll go to the Insert tab. I'll click on this recommended chart and select this line chart and click OK. I'll change the chart title to Index Chart. I can also change the chart design. Now in this chart, we can see clear difference in the growth of all these 3 companies. The growth for the company A is highest. The growth for the company B is a bit slower, and the growth for the company C is steady. Remember this, do not compare raw numbers, compare indexed values. This gives you true performance.
This is the power of index chart analysis. Remember this rule. Never compare raw numbers when the starting values are different. Always compare indexed value. You can use this method in sales analysis, financial report and dashboards. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe to KnowHow for more practical Excel tutorials. Learn smart, work fast.